Welcome. In this video, we will be demonstrating some of the many capabilities of the PalmGauss-S. The PalmGauss is a geomagnetism canceller and simulator. It can be programmed to create a customized Earth magnetic field. It can also be used for factory calibration and the evaluation of E-compasses. The PalmGauss consists of a 3-axis Helmholtz coil and control box. An operator can control the magnetic field using the software provided. I will explain the functions briefly. The PalmGauss controls the current going through the Helmholtz coil. And the current generates a uniformed magnetic field. This is how a magnetic field moves a mechanical compass. My colleague will put the mechanical compass into the center of the coil. Using the software, he will rotate the magnetic field. The direction of the compass rotates along with the magnetic field. The next function is how to evaluate an E-compass. This is the 3-axis magnetometer of an E-compass and the geomagnetic data. X-axis is red, Y-axis is green, and Z-axis is blue. My colleague is now attaching an E-compass onto a turntable. Now we will evaluate the E-compass as it rotates on a horizontal plane. When an E-compass rotates on a horizontal plane, the data will show a simple circle on the XY plot view. However, compared with an ideal geomagnetic circle, the circle is too small and offset. This is caused by the magnetic material in the room. Now we will evaluate a magnetometer using the PalmGauss. My colleague is setting the magnetometer onto the PalmGauss. And he will control the magnetic vector with the PalmGauss. Looking at the XY plot view again, we can see that the data matches ideal magnetic data. The PalmGauss makes it possible to evaluate a magnetometer without magnetic field environmental influences. Also, when my colleague puts a soft magnetic iron close to the magnetometer, it is easy to see the effect on the magnetometer. This is the result of the magnetometer if it is calibrated by our PalmGauss. Simulate magnetic fields. For example, my colleague is logging data for an 8-figure motion and setting the magnetometer into the coil again, setting the data, This data consists of 3-axis magnetic value and is possible to customize. Let's start the magnetic simulation of an 8-figure motion. It is possible to continuously evaluate and calibrate under the same magnetic conditions, and with the PalmGauss, it is not necessary to manually calibrate. The PalmGauss also comes with pre-installed commands to make it easier to use and control. You can use these commands in different software like MATLAB, LabVIEW, and TerraTerm. We will explain with TerraTerm. Setting now. You will be able to see the command list with the command help. Here we can make the PalmGauss have 0 magnetic field with the command cancel. You can see that the value of the magnetometer is becoming 0. We can also make it plus 200 milligauss in the x-axis with the command set. The value of the magnetometer is becoming plus 200 milligauss in the x-axis. And we can make it plus 200 milligauss in the y-axis with the command set. the value of the magnetometer is becoming plus 200 milligauss in the y-axis. And finally, it is possible to make it a rotating field with the command rotate. You can see that the magnetic vector is now rotating. Thank you for watching our demo video for the Aichi Steel PalmGauss-S. If you have any questions, please refer to our contact information below.